Welcome! If you want to connect AirPods Pro to your ASUS ROG Phone 3, at the first you have to open the Bluetooth. So let's activate this feature and then click and hold icon to enter the Bluetooth settings. And next we have to move our AirPods to the pairing mode. So we can make it by opening the charging case and then click and hold this back button for the few seconds until this indicator blinks on the white color. So let's click and hold. Keep holding until it starts blinking on the white color. Right now we can release and click here to pair new device. After a few moments they are going to pop on the list, and here they are. So just simply tap to pair, accept pairing, and as you can see, after a few seconds they are connected. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. So yeah.